Hi guys, 2008 1 KD engine. If you have a fuel light in dash, this one here, and if it's not going off or starting, don't panic. It's just a fuel filter contaminated, or time to replace the fuel filter. What you do, change the fuel filter, which is a cartridge one here. Okay, I just took this plug off, so you how to reset it. Leave the ignition on, not start,
Right, that's right.
and come to the fuel filter was off, and connect again, and that will reset the fuel filter light.
Oh, okay.
As you can
I
see,
understand. So
it's
that's-
gone.
It's good on you. Yeah, no, that's lovely.
If you want, you can check it again, start, and it will disappear, just like that. Thanks for watching. Here we go ahead and change the fuel filter. You can reset it after, before, doesn't really matter. So we go and disconnect this fuel line. It's got a dual fuel filter. This line is coming actually the main from the tank. You don't need to disconnect from this end, just to undo factory clamp or the off factory clamp, like this, or this aftermarket clamp. And this is going to your injector pump. Take this one off. There's another fuel reader harness there for the bottom sensor, the oil water reader. So take this top two harnesses off and just slide up like that. Will come out, and as you can see, this thing on a mark. So you wind hold the top one, wind it this one other way, anti-clockwise, hold firmly, and it will turn to detach, to open it up. So once you wind it, so this one should come out straight up. So just when you're putting it back, follow this arrow to this arrow, because it's got some setting to notches, these notches, to sit on its place. In case if you don't have this sticker is missing or something, you can always have your own mark, but I'll mark it before you detach, so it's easy to put it on the right spot. And that's a cartridge filter, comes out, it's dirty. There's a fuel there, that's the bottom sensor. So we'll give it a clean with the brake cleaner. You can clean it, it's all the dirt, and you put the new filter. So there is a new filter. It comes with the outer seal. The inner seal is always in it. So the outer seal, you use your pick and take the outer seal out. We use some rubber grease to the inner side. There's the upper seal. This seal sits on the both sides. Put it nicely. So it sit firmly. You can put some on this as well, no harming. Or you can use a engine oil, but I rather prefer rubber grease. One thing, guys, to make it easy winding off, it's better to push this all the way in from the right round, so you don't have an issue winding it up. Don't make sure you push it both together all the way in, and then start winding this up. Okay, when you tied it, make sure we line it up these arrows from here to this arrow is a bit clipped, so we might need it 4 hands, otherwise we need to put it on the vise, crack it up. So it's time to put it back. We'll put it back in, and what I normally do is to put this one first and leave this one off to prime it until the fuel starts coming in. Then I'll put the fuel line in and close the plug to start it. Yep. After priming, it's up and running. You just come back, clean it with a brake cleaner, looking for some leaks. Double check it, no missing. Both plugs is in. And no light in the dash. No light in dash, so it's all good. Thanks for watching.